may record din.
Kung mag-gymit, hindi mo kita ang cam, hindi mo open.
Unsa man yung mga dagwayan din nila eh. Dini kam.
Pero tanaw sa studio.
Sino sa kon?
Manang to? Manang yung Moses?
Ginagikot mo dito.
Ano mo?
Muna, i-record na dyan.
Dili.
Sige na.
Stop sa ba? Ako na magis.
Basta
Stop sa
kilala
ba?
niya.
Cam.
Ayun.
Ayaw man niya gidala.
Ay, problema ka.
Isin ako ba na?
Kapag gitna ito mo.
Sa GC Mar, tanaw Mar.
Balik ka.
Tuwai lang ko na eh.
Kutsiya pa.
Tuwai lang ko na.
Kutsiya din niya itong
Hirapin. Nailing sa sin.
Itong link itong kwan.
Bago.
Pero ko kailan itong dito? Port. Okay.
Kaya ko biya. Good afternoon class. Ayun mo. Tingog man niya.
Next na lang. Pyro.
Start na tayo.
Gawin din.
And let's go. So, ilan
Yung
mo?
sa Buksan yung mic ang katarang mag-istorya mo yung on ng mic.
Isa, Mar. Sa screen ko ah. Kung ano sa'yo makita ah.
Record na may daan.
Sabar yun. Sabar yun.
So. Okay, let's start. Hello sir, good day. And we are here today to perform the TP03. And I am Leonard Junpil. Next.
I'm Elmar.
Ay, Miss Litin, Miss Dariaga.
So. And to perform the first performer sir is Mr. Ilmar Pongsion.
So I'm going to perform the first problem, which is the game. So first I'm going to share my video. So here we're going to perform the tic-tac-toe game. So first let's input the first code. So here this is the board, the illustrate board. Here we're going to display the board, which is the tic-tac-toe. So let's try to run this one. So there's no error. So let's proceed to another code. Here, this code, we're going to identify if the board is if the board this one in one cell is going to display with the other cell. So let's try to run this one. So yeah, there you go. So the board is displayed. So let's go further with our another code. So in these three, so in another cell, here there are their input. So which is mean the while not meter is we're going to mark our which represent the player X or marker O. So we're going to run this one if is not fixed nor error. So there you go. It's clean. So we're going to proceed with our next code here. So we're going to put the player. So this in this cell, the player or the system will going to choose the player, which is the player will choose also the assign, which is X or O. So let's try to run this one. So there you go. Uh, the system asks if you are going to play with X or O. So it's putting X. So there you go. So let's go with the other one. So it's also played with QR code. There's no error. So let's proceed with the other cell. So there you go. So in this next cell, in playing tic tac toe, so there are board. So the board will will see the board mark the position of each player. So let's try to run this one with this board. So there you go. So as you can see, there is no error. So let's try to move. Let's move with the other code. So here we're going to place marker to our board. So let's try to uh, run this one to this our board. So if it's gonna run. So there you go. So the place markers this board is there are the dollar sign, which is also it it marker. So there you go. So we're going to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. So the dollar sign in the mate is the number 9. So it's also good. So let's try to run the other one. In this particular area also is we're going to input our um, board, which also has the particle sign or a sign. So as you can see, there are the particle is assigned each and every board. So like this one across the top, across the middle, across the bottom, down the middle, down the right side, diagonal, diagonal. So this is the randomly position of our uh, marker or figure which is going to play. So let's try doing this with this have the error. So there you go. It's also clean. There's no error. So let's try to duplicate the other code. Let's try the next one. Let's add this one. So in this cell, so in this board, we're going to um, check the winner. So in this they stated that the X is win. So let's try to run this one like this. Right. Get no error. So there you go. So it's true. So it means there's no error. So let's proceed with our next code. So in here we have an import random. So in this import random, we're going to choose the player one or two. So this only the choose the player. So let's try to run this one. Okay. We are clear with this one. So we're going to proceed with the other code. Next, in this particular will also has the speech space. So in meaning the board will going to check if the space of that certain board is clear or don't have a player or mark the bird. So let's try to run this one also. It's also clear. So let's proceed with the other code. So, so in this also in particular cell, which is the going to check or play the full board, which is in play with players. So for in range, there are numbers, particular numbers is only you have to choose the number which is 1 to 9. So in 1 to 9, you only have to input 1 to 9. In more than that, the player on this system or in the game will warn you or they're going to return false if it doesn't match or not or null. So if you only put 1 to 9 numbers, the system will respond in true or it's correct. So let's try to run this one. It has no error. So no errors. Let's move with the other code. So here in our also another cell, the player choice. So the player will choose the position of their number, which is 1 to 9. So let's try to run this one. If it has no error. So there's no error. So let's proceed with the other one. Uh, input the code. The RFQ. This will return input. Input. Google. Yes. Yes or no. Yes or no. Lower. Start. Switch. Starts. So let's try to run this one. This now. Error. So in here still there are the free play. So input. So this is the game will ask the player if the winner one will ask if do you want to play again. So entering the yes or no will start the game or if it yes. or no, we're going the game will stop. So in our last code, we're going to let's try to run in the other code. So in here, so this is the whole game, the whole game mode of our code. So let's try to listen if this work. So in here, uh, we're going to choose the X or O. So I'm going to choose the X. So there you go. So the game will ask you, are you ready to play? So you're just gonna enter yes, because we're going to play this one. So there you go. In this particular board, there's no mark 40 me position. This board here is clean. So let's try to put the number. You have to put number in randomly. So there you go. So I choose 5, so the X replaced in mid. So since I choose X, so the X is appeared. So let's try to put another number. So there you go. So the player two, which is the represent the O. So let's go with the games. Continue. So there you go. Congratulations, you have won the game. So since I won the game, so this the game will congratulate me. So let's try to input the. So this system is asking you if you want to play again. So let's try to put the yes. So there you go. System uh, will restart again and will play other games. So let's try to go with letter O. So there you go. So this time we're going to choose O. Let's try. So there you go. Let's try to run again. Let's play with the other one. So let's choose O. Start yes. So there you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So player 2 is won the game. So there you go. So there you go. That's all. As the as so far we have no errors in this problem. So thank you that one. And let's proceed with the other problem, which is the number two problem, which is represented by Saldriaga.
Hello, my name is Stephen Zariaga. I am your second member. I discuss perform the problem 2. First, import random
secret, and then was random that ran in clean for 100. Things things was free and good friend will come will come to the guest Lamborghini will come to the this this the London and friend put friend and this 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 using number between rank and then you you are free with things to this with then I put file appeals so semicolon and this is equal user input input enter do this simple put a F is equal and secret under and print congratulations
put a break. Next, lift gaze. Yan. Secret number. Simple. Then I print low, higher and lower. Then print higher. And heels is lower. Heels. Then lower. Links. Equal to 1. Then if again. Then 1 0. Semicolon and print the and you have just back this then with that put a format. Yes. Then if then double equal to 0. And I print sorry. And some sorry. Comma. You run out. Okay. This print that the number was that not secret number. Then put a play again. Play again equal to input. Input. Do you want to play again? Do you want to play? Play again. About a yes or no. Yes or no. Semicolon. If play But lower,
Then
then
I
put
put
double equal,
double
double
equal
equal
to
to
yes.
yes. Put this number, this the number. Then put here's here's frame is less input. Put the thank you very much. Thank thanks for playing with me. No, playing and salamat. Then this the number. That's my problem too.
Dala ka?
I try to run this. Yes. Interrogate. Welcome to the guess the number game. I choose a number between 1 and 100. You have 3 attempts to guess it and interrogate. So, example, interrogate. Number 1 is Louis Tuhaya. 4. I put a 4. And 2 attempts, put higher of 4 is example 6. And the last is one last attempts, higher of 6 is example 10. Then there. So, sorry you run out of attempts. The number was 2. And that's my lower number 2. Then do you want to pay again? I put no. And that's all. Number 3. Do
I
you
have a
have a
question to
question
you,
for
Sir
me?
Sadriaga.
Yes.
Can you explain the random numbers 1 to 100 and also what those the three attempts of the numbers? And that's my question.
Thank you, member 3. The number between 1 to 100 is that the player can input number between 1 to 100 only. And also, the 3 attempts is the player can guess the number 3 times. And that's all.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
And that's all, sir, for our performance number 3. And good day and God bless, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.